Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fund your Perfect Money account. How you can add money to your Perfect Money account if you're living in Nigeria. Now, before we jump right into the main video, for those of you that will be needing gift card for your online payment, you can join my Telegram group where we can have one-on-one communication so that I will make available any kind of gift card that you want for your online payment. So if you need any of these gift cards, Amazon, American Express, Battle.net, Best Buy, EA cards, Minecraft, MasterCard gift cards. I can't go through all of them, but just go through all these cards. I can't start calling all of them, but any kind of gift card that you want, and even iTunes card from all the countries that you're seeing on your screen. iTunes card from all these countries. I can make it available for you once you join my Telegram group by scanning the barcode you're looking at your screen. So all these gift cards that are listed in this video, in case if you want any of these gift cards, depending on the amount that you want, I can make it available. Just scan the QR code that you're seeing in front of your screen and join my Telegram group where we can have one-on-one communication. So let's jump right into the main video. Let me show you guys how you can add money, how you can fund your Perfect Money account if you're living here in Nigeria. Now, for you to add money to your Perfect Money account, you have an active Perfect Money account. I've already logged into my Perfect Money account. For you to add money to your Perfect Money account, you have to go to TRXGold.com. Once you go to TRXGold.com, you have to create an account in TRXGold.com. So as you guys can see, Perfect Money to Naira, Bitcoin to Naira, Ethereum to Naira. I will explain that to you much later, but first of all, let's sign up on TRX Gold. Once you click on sign up, to bring you to this page where you have to fill all this information. After filling all this information, you click on sign up. So let me quickly sign up a new account in TRX Gold so that I can use it to demonstrate how to add money to your Perfect Money account in this video. So I'm done filling all my information. The next thing you need to do is click on I read and agree with the terms and conditions and click on sign up. As you guys can see, I have signed up to TRX Gold, and from here, Perfect Money to Naira, Bitcoin to Naira, Ethereum to Naira, Naira to Ethereum, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, etc. So what we are trying to do here is to fund our Perfect Money account. So what we are going to do is go to Naira, Naira to Perfect Money. Click on Naira, it will list out all this listing. Click on Perfect Money. Okay. So 765 Naira to 1 Perfect Money. Okay. 1 p.m. costs 765 Naira. So if we are going to buy like 10 p.m., it's going to be 7,650 Naira. And I'm going to buy 10 Perfect Money right now. So what we are going to get if we pay 7,650 Naira is 9.95 Perfect Money. So they are removing 0.5 from it. So here it's asking me for Perfect Money account number. And before you make your payment, make sure you go here and put all the information needed here in case of verification. Fill all this information. Phone number, you have to put your phone number. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, once you're done, you have to put your Perfect Money account number. So let's go to our Perfect Money now. This is my Perfect Money. You can see here, you can see U37 blah 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 is my USD, and this is my euro. So what I'm trying to buy is USD. So I have to copy this. Okay, go back there. U is already there, and paste it. Now after pasting it, I've already filled all this information. After filling all this information, click on exchange. Processing. Your order successfully created. So Naira, NGN, Perfect Money. Note. So here it says Note, the transaction is performed by the operator in a semi-automatic mode and it takes 5 minutes to 1 hour during working hour, Monday to Friday, okay, and Saturdays. Operator works from home on Sunday during their free period. So let's scroll down, amount 7. So perfect money, I'm going to receive 9.95 into account. This is the account is going to be in 9100, which is this 9100, which is the last 4-digit number. So scroll down, last name as well, first name Ikenna Kingsley, mobile number, blah blah blah. I read and I agree to that. So create order. Your order successfully created. So here saying please log into your mobile bank app or internet banking app, transfer the sum of 7,650 to the bank account provided below, which is this UBA bank, TRX Access Resources. Okay, amount 7,650, amount received, amount of perfect money I'm going to receive 9.5. Okay, after doing that, you click on paid. If you make that transfer, you click on paid. So I'm going to make a transfer to this account now. And as you guys can see in my account, I have 0.00 USD. So after making the payment, I'll click on paid. But please have in mind that while you're making your payment, make sure that you put this order invoice number that is listed. That's a remark. If you're making a payment from your app, there's a place you can write a little note description on why that payment is being done. So you have to put this order invoice number here while you're making that payment. Make sure you don't make that mistake. Once you're done, click on paid. So once you click on paid, it's going to bring you up to this page. Okay, order ID. You can see your order ID. I've ordered for 9.95 perfect money PM. So here it says confirmation of payment accepted. Your request is being processed by the operator. Send 7,650 naira. Receive 9.95 perfect money USD into account. Blah blah blah. Creation time. This that status of order. Received confirmation of payment from client. So let's go over to my perfect money account and refresh my perfect money account. As you guys can see, there's no money there yet. So after waiting for like 30 minutes, the funds has now arrived, and here is showing the order is complete. Okay, your order application is complete. Thank you for finding time to leave a review of the service you just received. Now, if you go back to my perfect money account, you guys can see 9.95 is in my USD account. Let me refresh. You can see $9.95 is now credited in this U37689,100 account. So this is how you can fund your perfect money account if you're living here in Nigeria. Now, for those of you that would like to know how you can withdraw these funds from perfect money, how you can withdraw the funds in your perfect money to your bank account, whether you're living in Nigeria or you're not living in Nigeria, if you have money in your perfect money account, how you can withdraw these funds, any amount you have in your perfect money, how you can withdraw it to your Nigerian bank account or any bank account, any country at all. Make sure you watch the next video you're going to see at the end of this video for you to know how to withdraw funds from perfect money to your bank account. If you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Ikenna Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how you can make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. And during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new apps and games in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my content, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn the notification button on so that you won't miss out on any of my videos. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up.